My fellow Rivers people, I come before you today with immune gratitude and heartfelt appreciation for your unwavering support to me and my administration. I urge you all to reflect on the sheer sacrifice we have all made for a peaceful and prosperous River State, and indeed Nigeria. It is my wish that we continue to live in peace and harmony as one. Together, we have achieved milestones in different sectors of our economy, which includes infrastructure, health, education, workers' welfare, improved service delivery, agriculture, and social welfare that resonates deeply into our communities. Your dogged and committed support has been bedrock of our progress. And for that, I extend my sincere thanks. I wish to acknowledge and commend the dedicated services of the outgoing elected local government chairmen, vice chairmen, and councillors who were elected and sworn in 3 years ago and whose tenures expired yesterday, the 17th of June of the year of our Lord, 2024, as provided for by the law. On behalf of the government and the people of River State, I thank you all for your sacrifice and commend your commitment to public service and our dear River State. I congratulate you all for a successful completion of your tenure and wish you well in your future endeavors. As we move forward in making sure that the Constitution of the Federal Republic is upheld and that law and order is maintained, as we continue to strive to provide leadership and direction for our people, I hereby direct Head of Local Government Administration to continue to provide leadership in their respective local government areas. Head of Local Government Administration are hereby directed to immediately take charge of the councils with renewed vigor and readiness to serve and await further directive as we navigate towards even greater accomplishments together. I assure you, my good people of River State, that we shall continue to defend, provide infrastructural development, sound healthcare delivery, quality education, and undiluted welfare service package for all our people and workers. Once again, I thank you, my dear good people of River State, for your steadfast support and dedication to our shared vision of unity, progress, and prosperity. Together, we will continue to build a brighter and better future for all. Happy Salah holiday. God bless River State. God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.